Hola! It's another Tapas Tuesday. Today it's ventresca, or tuna belly, with tomatoes and red onion. It's a really elegant tapa. It's a little pricey because it uses the very best cut of tuna belly, but worth every bite, and couldn't be easier to put together. So let's get started. Gather up 5 simple ingredients: a red onion, fresh tomatoes, a can of tuna belly, sea salt, and extra virgin olive oil. I know these are fresh and super flavorful because I just brought them in from the garden. Simply slice them into 6 even wedges. Gently gather them up and put them in a bowl so that you can dress them with some extra virgin olive oil. I love using a variety called Frentoio because it's just as sweet as the tomatoes and matches them perfectly. Lightly toss them and set them to the side while we slice some red onion super thin. Using red onion with this tapa works really well because its delicate taste won't overpower the other flavors. Carefully open a can of tuna, or tuna belly if you can get it, and drain off the oil. If it's packed in extra virgin olive oil, you can always reuse it to make a salad dressing. Now it's time to start plating the dish. Spread out all the tomatoes onto a simple serving platter. And gently sprinkle them with slivers of red onion. It's a good idea to clean up the edges of the plate, although this time around I forgot that step. It'll still be really tasty, just won't look quite as pretty. Here comes the best part. Gently lay the pieces of tuna belly on top of the tomatoes and the onions. They're pretty delicate, so use some tongs or pinchers to put them into place. They will work a lot better than your fingers or a fork. And nestle them all in together so that you use up every bit of tuna from the can. But you can also always save a smidge for the chef. Now drizzle the whole dish with that same extra virgin olive oil, Frentoio, and finish with a sprinkle of Mediterranean sea salt. And that's it. Your tapa is ready for the table and ready for your company. And if you're ready to learn how to put together more tasty tapas, click on this playlist for a bunch of great ideas.